Afternoon tubers, welcome back to the Piston Alignment Workshop. We're going to continue our strip down of Kawasaki today. We're back on the lubricating system. I'm going to remove this engine case to begin with so we can get to the oil pump and filter and see what we find there. Going to get myself an Allen key now and crack on. Right, I've got the engine case off now and it's looking okay. The plastic drive gear that runs the pump that sits in here, which is very common for failing on these after doing some research, looks brand new, so I reckon that's been done at some point. The bad side is the rest of the gears in here heavily corroded. Now there wasn't much oil in it when we picked it up, so I reckon it's been exposed to the elements at some point in its life, and if I don't do something about it now, it's going to damage this plastic gear again and we'll be in the same situation. So I'm going to remove all that now and we'll start the clean up on the gears and the filters. Now, I thought I'd better show you this. I've taken the main oil filter off. That doesn't look too bad. Bits coming in there, so that's going to get renewed. But in the engine here, there's a hidden filter that people forget about, and this is the main source of most of this damage. So you get a little screwdriver in there, pop it out, and I'll get some pliers, just work it out, like so, and that's it there. And as you can see, that's completely collapsed on the gauge end. That's meant to pick you all up. And it's covered in crap as well. Now I've looked into these. They are still available from Kawasaki themselves. So this is definitely going on the shopping list because we want this circulating all properly and preventing any more damage. Right, I've got enough to be getting on with now. Not much I can do apart from a bit of cleaning until the bits come, so I'll get back to you once everything's arrived, and hopefully it won't be long till it's being reassembled. Thanks very much for watching. If you like what we're doing, it is a bit of a winging it, but please like us, subscribe, it will get better, I hope.